Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you how to turn on flash notifications. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just pull down the notifications, go into settings, then scroll down, keep scrolling until you see accessibility. And then in here, select advanced settings. And then here under notifications, you will see flash notification. Select it. Okay, so how this works is it's going to flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. So just go ahead and turn on camera flash notification. And then here you can select which apps you want it to work with. Also, you can turn on screen flash notification as well. So the screen flashes and also the flashlight on the back. And once again, there's an option to select which apps you want the screen flash notifications to work with. So just scroll through the list and then just select the little box beside each application to set everything up. And then you get a little preview here as well. If you select the preview option, you can see how it's going to flash. Let's just have a look at that again. Okay, so I'm just gonna demo it now. I'm gonna try it out. So send myself a text message. Okay, so it just flashed both the screen and the flashlight. Let's do that again. Okay, also when you get a call, it's going to do the same thing. So as you can see, it's going off there. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. That was just my video showing you how to use the flash notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, do you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. Let me know if you'll be using this. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. And I'm out guys. See you in the next one. Stay tuned. Deuces.